Lalit, hi, can you hear me?
Hi, Pankaj. Yes, totally. I can hear and see you.
Sorry to go out with the family. So, any questions? Quickly tell me. I'm just logging for 2 minutes. And I help you out. How are you doing?
No questions as such. I just wanted to listen to others' experiences.
Yeah. Let's wait 5 minutes. My daughter is coming. Then we'll leave. We'll hang on for 5 minutes. How is it going? How many days now?
It's the seventh day for me. I started on the last Monday.
Okay. And progress?
Progress is like initially the weight loss was a little higher. Now it's on an average 300 grams a day.
That's okay. No problem. So, about 3 kilos a
Okay,
week.
because again I'm eating fruits to support my medication and juices and water. Three things I'm doing.
Start with enemas also.
Uh, Please come back again.
What's your body weight total?
Now it is 81.5 today.
It's okay. 82 kilos. And what's your height?
5'8", 5'7", 5'8".
So not much. You're 7-8 kilos. You want to be about 75, right?
Yes.
Okay, you'll get that. That's not a challenge. What you do is start off with enemas. Do you have an enema kit at home?
I'm getting motions.
Okay. So, and what's your body type? Pitta.
Pitta.
That's because you're getting mostly pitta ke saath hota hai. Okay. So, if you need it, you can use that. But otherwise, continue. The fruits will help you with the digestive process since you are a pitta. So, you're doing fine. I think there's nothing to worry, nothing to think. Just
Yes.
continue.
Thanks.
Enjoy the ride.
Yes, I am. Last night I went for a movie with two of my friends who are also doing this, Shashank and Ramanpreet, and I could fit into old clothes very easily.
You're all fasting, all three of you?
We all are doing.
बहुत मजा आ रहा होगा 3 लोग साथ गए फिर मार्केट में आप लोगों ने जूस पिया इकट्ठे
Yes, yes.
What a beautiful feeling, right? Friends
Yeah,
getting together,
absolutely.
having a
The movie was not great. I'll not name it, but it was not great. But we enjoyed the company and the reward we gave to ourselves for fasting together. We live in the same society, basically.
very good, very good. Where is this?
It's Orchid Island, Sector 51. It's just behind Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon.
So that's great. Yeah, I'm glad you guys are doing well. Let's knock off a few kgs more,
Yes.
and things will be good. We got Shweta as well. Shweta, hi. It's a Sunday. I have to take my kids out. Anything quickly? Tell me. I just logged on. Fatafat. How are you doing? You're on
Hi
mute.
Pankaj, all good.
You look different in the last 1 week.
Is it?
या मेरे को तो लग रहा है फर्क लेकिन जिसने आपको
अच्छा
देखा नहीं एक हफ्ते से उसको ज्यादा फर्क लगेगा
हाँ, correct. So I'm
और
losing about 200 to 300 grams from
या
yesterday. फिर आज भी
स्टार्ट
सुबह
अभी
चेक किया.
तो गुड़गांव में तो ललित इट्स वेरी ह्यूमिड आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू आर इन बैंगलोर ना श्वेता
Yeah.
ठीक है आई डोंट नो अबाउट बैंगलोर बट इन एटलीस्ट दिल्ली एनसीआर I just played football with my son and I would have done at least 1 kilogram of sweat. 1 लीटर तो पसीना निकला हुआ 1 घंटे में. So
बाप
because
रे.
it's so humid, it is so humid. So
Yeah.
in Gurgaon as well, Lalit, try to spend time outdoor as much as you can. The weather is beautiful, the pollution is low. It
Yes.
rained yesterday. So what you should be doing ideally is wearing a t-shirt, shorts, sitting outside. जैसे पुराने जमाने में खटिया लगा के बाहर नहीं बैठ जाते थे. तो आपके
Yes.
जो सोसाइटी का पार्क है वहाँ शॉर्ट्स पहनो गंजी पहनो and just spend 2-3 hours outside, listen to music, meditate. You'll keep sweating, walk up, down, left, right. What will happen is the toxins will keep getting released. Your 300 grams per day will go to about 400-500 grams per day.
Yes, yes.
Sweating is very easy now in this weather.
Yes, it's no effort actually.
Just go outside and either walk karo, and after 5-10 minutes you will start enjoying it.
Yes.
Because the body will cool down, you will feel relaxed, you will feel the detoxic effects, and it's wonderful. I can tell you, I'm right now enjoying because I just sweat for almost an hour. Amazing. I mean, I'm feeling so happy, so nice. I can feel the glow. Maza aa raha hai. I'm just constantly, I took a shower, I'm still sweating. And I put off all the air conditioning, everything is off. So it's good fun. Okay. Shweta, what is your report? Started off where are we now?
So today I was 88. 91 point something से शुरू किया था.
हाँ. So 92 to 88 मोटा मोटी.
हाँ.
ठीक है. Let's hit 85 and then we will have a chat, which you should do in about a week from now. Please sweat.
अच्छा, I have to sweat, is it?
Sweat is one of the 4 forms of detox, no?
Yeah, but मैं जा ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. I'm not going for a walk. I feel weak in my legs. तो weakness
अच्छा,
लगता है.
तब अपने आ जाएगा. Expose the legs to some sun. If you can wear something where at least your knees can get sunlight exposure during the day, natural sunlight जाएगी, पसीना आएगा, अपने आप strength आ जाएगी. जैसे एक पौधा होता है ना, if you see a plant,
Yeah.
मुरझाया होता है. The moment you put water and give it in the sun, it will just freshen up. Your
Yeah.
body is not no different from the plant. It's the same thing. It's only the
Okay.
doctors who say it's very different, so that they can make some money. Okay, so it is the same thing. So relax, guys, get sweating, and we shall connect tomorrow. That's it. Anything? Any questions?
Okay.
Nothing as of now.
Chalo, we'll say bye. We'll say hello and bye to Romila. Just hang on. Hi, Romila ji, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good, very good. All well?
हाँ, आज तो ठीक है. आज मैंने एक मैंगो भी खा लिया 4 बजे.
हाँ, तो very good. So you've started the protocol. Very good. So I'm glad you moved to fruits now. You continue that for a week, which basically means juices and fruits. It is important. आपको जो weight loss अटक गया था, भी वो fruit से जाने शुरू. और मैंगो एक से मन भर गया है और खाने का मन था.
नहीं नहीं, मैं पुअर ईटर एक्चुअली. पेट
You're a
ज्यादा
poor
है
eater.
थायराइड की वजह से.
You are poor and you are a eater, or are you a poor eater?
पुअर ईटर. सारे दिन में एक रोटी खाने वाली हूँ मैं.
नहीं
ऐसी
नहीं, अभी
दो
वो भी मत खाओ, अभी बहुत बढ़िया है. लेकिन एक चीज और बता सकता हूँ, अभी 2-3 लोग हैं, they can vouch, you can unmute. Does this lady look 70 plus by any angle?
No, she
No,
doesn't.
no.
Not at all. They'll all put you in your early 60s. Well done, Romila
I
ji.
am 74. In
अच्छा,
September,
70s में नहीं लग रहे अभी तो आप.
75 I will be in September.
आप हमारे उसमें आएंगे endorsement sheet में, we'll get you put on that. But you are doing very well. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'll try my best कि कल से अगर फ्रूट भी नहीं खाऊं तो ऐसे ही चले. अब देखती हूँ
नहीं
क्या
नहीं
होता है.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, आप मेरी बात सुनो. फ्रूट का
हम्म.
मन करेगा तो आप जरूर खाओ. फाइबर जाना जरूरी है अभी, क्योंकि बॉडी के अंदर आप समझो, आपका जितना सिस्टम को 1 हफ्ते का ड्राई करना था, उसको ऑटोफेजी में ले आए हैं हम. अब फाइबर से क्या होगा, फाइबर अंदर जाएगा तो जो आपकी इंटेस्टाइन्स की वॉल्स में कुछ कचरा चिपका है उसको साफ करके निकालेगा. सो आई एम नॉट अलाउइंग यू फ्रूट्स. आई एम टेलिंग यू, व्हेन यू क्रेव, हैव देम.
Okay, I can have apple or
Yes.
any papita,
Any
apple.
fruit. हाँ, पपीता खाओ, एप्पल खाओ, जो आपकी दिल की इच्छा हो वो खाओ, और उसको खा के अच्छे से चबाओ, विद छिलका विलका जितना कर सको. बॉडी में रफेज जानी जरूरी है अभी,
Okay.
बट नो फोर्सिंग.
तो फोर्स तो नहीं करती हूँ, तो सही बात
ठीक है,
है.
चलो कंटिन्यू दैट. और इससे आपका अभी 1 हफ्ता आपने जूसिंग कर लिया, 1 हफ्ता फ्रूट्स का भी खिंच जाएगा, तो आपके 3 किलो और कम हो जाएंगे. एंड देन अभी आपको 60s बोल रहे हैं, होपफुली नेक्स्ट वीक आपको 50s में हम बोलेंगे.
थैंक यू. वैसे तो 2.5 किलो से ज्यादा जा चुका है. वेस्ट भी जा चुकी है 1.5 इंच.
बहुत
वेस्ट में सबसे ज्यादा खुशी तो वेस्ट की है. ये भी भी
हाँ, वेस्ट में जो एक्स्ट्रा होता है ना, वेस्ट ही होता है वो. सो
नहीं, मेरी आर्म्स है.
सब ठीक हो जाएगा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Don't worry, all will be fine, ma'am. You take care. Any questions, Romila ji?
No, no, thank you.
Chal. You
Thank
take care, ma'am. Take care, Shweta, Lalit, everyone. See you guys. Bye. Good luck.
Okay.
We'll meet
Thank
tomorrow.
you,
Take care.
Panja.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Pankaj. Bye.
Thank you.